Here's how to fix no sound on your MacBook. If your MacBook has no sound, start by checking the sound settings. Click the Apple menu, open System Settings or System Preferences. Then go to Sound and select the Output tab. Make sure the correct output device is selected. If you're using your Mac's built-in speakers, choose internal speakers. If you're using headphones or external speakers, select the appropriate device instead. Also, make sure mute is turned off and the output volume is turned up. If the sound still isn't working, restart the core audio service. Open Activity Monitor by searching for it. Select the CPU tab, search for Core Audio D, double-click the process, then choose Quit or Force Quit. macOS will automatically restart the audio service. After completing these steps, restart your Mac and test the sound again. That's all for this video. Thanks.